Productions with a review today. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Roaravores Triceratops. Let's just get into it now. Right now I'm just going to open the packaging up. And this is a very nice figure. Hold on a second, let me get this out. Okay, before I start opening this, I'm going to give it a hold on. Mattels Triceratops. This is a very nice packaging with a Roaravores Triceratops. As you can see, it does that. I'll show you. I think that actually makes around 4 sounds, but there it is. Now here is the thing to indicate that it makes the roaring sound. There's other languages of what it says. Then we have the Jurassic World logo, and it should say Fallen Kingdom under it. I would have liked it better, but it's still a good logo as it's now the park is not open. So it's like destroyed, so it's now crackled like that. We got another spot, and it's another logo. Then we have a logo on the side. Another logo right here, and a logo right here. There's a lot of logos. Then we have this little thing indicating that you push down to make the noises. Then on the sides here we got Owen and Blue and 3 and Up. And it looks like a cage. Mount Sabo is erupting on Isla Nublar with these jungle-like things. This is probably like the second best design in the background of all the toys of the Jurassic Park and Jurassic World. It's probably the second best because I think, in my opinion, the Lost Road done the best on the background. But here's the back of the packaging. Tricer. Oh, there it goes. I don't know what's wrong with the box, but there it says Triceratops in another language. It says Jurassic World Facts Set, as it's indicating that when you push down on that, it makes the noise, which I've explained. It says fact, it even says push button for sound and head ramming action. Then we have these other toys you can get of the Roaravores, the Roaravores Baryonyx, which I have, the Allosaurus, I have the Metriacanthosaurus, don't have, I'm not interested in getting that one, so I'm probably not going to get it. I really like the packaging stuff, so it's very nice. I like the packaging. Now let's see what this thing is. Hold on. Battery replacement instructions. Okay, that's about that thing. And then there's this stuff. Okay, let me put this tail in. Hold on, just let me do. And there we go with the tail in. You cannot move that tail. On this head, it can move like so. It makes that little noise. Its legs move like so. Very nice. Some of the other legs, and they can move up and down and all around. But legs move all around and stuff. But the thing, the Roaravores was this, which I showed you all the sounds it made. And when you press it down, its head actually comes up like it would be fighting off a predator. And it comes with these designs down it. I wish the design went all the way down its tail, but still that's very nice with a very dark brown with a lightish brown. And also around its skull, it's like that. There's this dark brown around it with these little horn things. It's on the Triceratops. And its horns in general are very good, though they're kind of messed up on the paint right there on this figure. But then it has this very light brownish color. It has its nostrils right there. Like they added that feature. Then we got some very light color on it. And it looks like this on the bottom, though I wish it would have been white. Some of the other figures were on the stomachs. But still, this is a very good Roaravores. And it's very nice and I'd recommend it. Now I'm going to tell you the sizes with this thing. This is what it looks like with the size of a all-man soldier. It's around that big to it. The soldier is not very tall, as you can see. My hand's not very big, but still, it's something like that tall, so that's what it looks like. Then let's get some dinosaurs. This is how big it is to Battle Damage Blue figure. Very nice. Now let me get another dinosaur to the Baryonyx. It's around this big. Roaravores Baryonyx. Now let me show you another dinosaur. There's two more. Compared to Stego, it's around that big compared to Stegosaurus. Now last but not least, it's this big to the Tyrannosaurus. Let me put it over here since it's bigger. It's around that big to the Tyrannosaurus. Very nice figure. Let me move the Tyrannosaurus. This is a very nice figure. I really like it, and I hope you like it too. And you can pick this up at, I recommend it, and you can pick this up at Walmart or Target, wherever you like to buy your toys. I'll see you next time.